In this video we are going to learn how to convert Adobe XD designs into a React Native code. So here I've opened my designs. First you need to install a plugin here. Go to plugins and add a plugin. It will generate this window. You have to search for a plugin by clicking here and type here Fire Blade. Hit enter. It will show you the result. You have to install this plugin. Once you install this plugin, now close this as I have installed it before. So close the window and go to your screens. Tap on a screen, select your screen and tap on Firebase panel. This will open this window and go to setup. This window will be open. You have to unmark all of these and select only React Native. Here you are going to pass the path where you want to store its code and assets. So I have given this path and click close. Now hit export. This will start exporting your design into a React Native to the selected directory. Let me pause the video. So once it's done, you have to click the OK button and go to the directory where you have stored this file. I've stored it in my XD designs, and this is the page we store sign up page and assets, all of the assets that are used in this page. So open your project and in the app function you have to render the function that is generated by your Adobe XD code. Here I want to create a file and name it sign up page.js. Okay, so open this page and go to the JS file, open it. Select all of the code, copy it and paste it here. Save the changes. Also you have to import the assets that has been downloaded in your directory. So import all the assets in your project assets folder. So these are the assets. Copy all the assets and go to your project and paste it right here in your asset folder. Once you are done, now you have to render your sign up page into app.js. Here I've rendered my sign up. Let me check it first. So render your sign up page here. It will import it automatically here. Now run your app. Let's reload my app and check the result. So here you can see the page is loaded. Its design is not so good because I've not designed it in XD. So this was all about how to convert the Adobe XD design to React Native code through a built-in tool.